Rich people trying to be relatable is so funny because I had a friend growing up that was super wealthy. Like anything he wanted to buy, he would get. But everyone else in our friend group was just normal kids that had like 14 cents in their bank account. So he would try his best to act as if he had the same problems we had. Like one time, we all really wanted to go to a Lakers game, so we looked up the price of tickets and it was like $50. So all of us were like, dang, we're never gonna be able to go because we genuinely couldn't afford that. We didn't have jobs, we just played Fortnite 18 hours a day back then. But what was funny about the situation is when we found out the price, my rich friend was the one who acted the most upset out of all of us. He was literally like, dude, 50 bucks? That's insane. How does anyone afford to go to these games? Then one of our friends went, can't you like easily afford that? And he goes, yeah, I can. I was just trying not to rub it in your guys' faces. Hey, I appreciate the effort, man.